Hey guys, welcome to P&P Dinner Factory, and I'm Parker.
I'm Peggy.
And we're gonna make snail snacks that are healthy.
Snail snacks. Okay, so what's in a snail snack?
We're gonna take the celery, and we're gonna open the peanut butter.
You got it?
You need peanut butter, and I guess this is gonna be a baby caterpillar.
Yep, so we're going to do snails and caterpillars. So you need celery, some sort of fruit that's in a circle shape. We're doing apples and strawberries. We've got cashews for their heads and some grapes that are cut in half too. So Parker's going to start by being real gross and filling these celeries with peanut butter, the whole thing. You got to do the whole thing.
Don't do any, I'm gonna do all of them.
I'm going to do one too.
Do the baby.
So I like a lot of peanut butter.
But that's totally gonna be mine.
Okay, fine.
I'll eat all of them myself.
Okay, fine.
Because they're my snails. And they're my friends.
So do you want an apple or a strawberry? You want an apple? All right.
Why is it not staying?
Well, you gotta stick it in the peanut butter. Okay.
Where's the head gonna be?
Right on the end where a head's supposed to be. Take a cashew and you stick it in there like that.
And mine has a grape.
And yours is a grape. And then you can take a little bit more peanut butter. So you can use candy eyeballs or you can just use like dark chocolate mini chips. Dip the bottom of them in a little bit of the peanut butter so that they'll stick, and then stick them on the cashew to make it look like they got bug eyes. Cool. All right, here's my snail. All right, so they can probably lean on each other. All right, so there's our snails, and now we're gonna make our caterpillars. So we basically
we forgot Turbo.
Oh, Parker's gonna make Turbo. If anybody's seen that DreamWorks movie, we've probably seen it 25 times in the past 3 days, so we know it very well.
Need a lot of peanut butter for Turbo.
Sure. You want a nut head or a grape head?
Just
A grape head?
Let Turbo nap.
What do you mean? He can sit up.
Let Turbo nap. He's tired.
Me too, girl. All right, cool. There's our Turbo snail. He goes real fast. But he's tired, so he's napping. All right, and our last thing is we're going to make some caterpillars. After you stop eating all the peanut butter. So these, all you got to do is just line up your grapes. You can use raisins too, you know, but we like grapes.
I do not like raisins.
Why don't you like raisins?
They're just disgusting.
They're just grapes.
They're dried out grapes, which I don't like.
My caterpillar. He goes creepy, crawly. See how easy this is? Do you think all kids can make this? They don't even need a grown-up, really. But you should get a grown-up because you shouldn't knock over our snails again.
At least mine isn't ruined.
You don't care if mine gets ruined?
Well, I mean,
that's rude.
They're both not ruined. And another chocolate chip. Dip, dip, dip. And I'll probably eat the other celery.
Okay, cool. Just by itself.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Cool, Sean. Man, why you keep knocking over our snails, dude? All right. See how easy that was? That's a snack in less than 5 minutes. And you want a taste test? You want to cheers our caterpillars?
I don't want to eat mine, though.
Well, we have to taste test. Eat its butt.
No! I'll make another one and then I'll eat this one. Okay? Because mine's just a baby.
What's the difference? This one's already made. You're going to be eating the same thing. It's going to look the same.
I want to make another caterpillar.
The people don't want to wait for us.
Okay. Then I'll taste test this.
Just taste test this one and you can make a new one after. We're done.
No. I can't.
You keep knocking over our snails.
What the snail?
I'm just going to leave them like that. Finish your caterpillar so we can taste test.
Finish your caterpillar so we can taste test.
All right, cheers.
Mind the baby. Eat it out of its butt.
No, you eat its butt.
Okay, I'll eat its face.
I ate its head. How was it?
It's good.
Is it good? Good. Did you get a 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up?
10 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up. Nice. All right.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Then we get to make some money. Till next time.
I'm signing off. Bye.